Hello everyone, I am now Kiyusuke. So today in this video, I'm going to make a review for the NYXI YS53 Nintendo controller. So as for this video, I am not going to test this controller with any Nintendo, but instead I'm going to make it rather different from other reviewers, where I will test this controller with a PC game. Yes, you heard it right. So now, without further ado, let's open up the box. Okay, so this is what you will get from inside the box. The first one that you will get is the USB Type-C charging cable. Okay, so the second thing that you will get is the user manual. Okay, it comes with many languages so that you can refer this instruction manual on how to use your controller. Okay, and lastly, what you will get is the controller itself. That looks really beautiful. Okay, so this mid frame can be detached from this controller. What you need to do in order to release this controller from the frame, just to press this button here. Okay, press and slide it up, and do the same for this part. Press it down and slide it up, just like that. Okay, now let's put it back. Okay, and you can see it's already turned on for this one. Let's turn this one on. There you go. That looks pretty beautiful. So you can see the light on the front, but you cannot see it from the back. So that means the transparent part is only for the front. Okay, so what's cool about this controller is that you can change the color of these controller LEDs by holding down this button here. You can see there is two buttons. You just hold down the lower button here. Okay, hold down, and while you're holding that button, you just tap this joystick here, one, and you will get a color change. Okay, this is yellow. Wow, that's looking pretty wild. Okay, let's change the color. Wow, this is really cool. Green. Yeah, that's more like it. This one is blue. Okay, now this is darker blue. The purple looks really nice. Wow, that's beautiful. And lastly, the colorful LEDs. So you have your own preference on which color do you like to use when you are using your controller. So if you want to show off to your friend, just let's say you want to use maybe green color, just like that. You may want to show them, dude, I've got a green Nintendo controller, and then you just switch to the other color and show to them, dude, my controller is switching colors now. So this controller is really cool, and it also have the color changing mode, where you just double tap this one and it will automatically change the LEDs, just like this. You can see here it's fading. Okay, there you go. Okay, so as for the buttons, it is pretty much the same as other types of controller in terms of its placement. Okay, you can see here it have this minus button, plus button here, and all of the thing looks pretty much the same. And here you can see you have this button here, this one here, and yeah, it's pretty much comfortable to grip on it. Okay, and I guess it's pretty much the same as this one. Okay, this one is NYXI YS53. Okay, this is looking beautiful in white, but this one is in a crackling effect, looks pretty more unique and wild. So without further ado, let's put this controller to the test. Now remember, I will be testing this controller with a PC games, not with the Nintendo games. Okay, so let's see how good it is in terms of controlling the games itself. Okay, now we are testing this controller with a Just Cause game. Okay, now we're going to test out this controller with Call of Duty game. Well, this is my first time playing first-person shooter using a controller, so yeah, my aim is really bad, but overall the controlling experience is really good. You can see here the response. Let's see. There you go. Okay, overall this controller is really nice. I don't have any issues with it. Everything went smooth, and you can see this joystick is really nice to have, and also you can see the effect here. It's really cool and it's looking pretty wild. So if you have this controller, I bet people will look at you and say, wow, where did you buy it? So if you want to buy this one, you just click down the link in the description below. I will provide the link, and if you use the link that I provide, you will get a 10% discount. So buy through that link and you will save a lot of money. So I guess that's it for my video. If you enjoy watching my video, please give a like, leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a good day.